Hi there, my name is Brittany Flandrick. I'm doing the video prompt CRISPR. The prompt says Alfred Nobel, a pacifist, invented dynamite, which is used in mining, construction, and warfare. He later left most of his fortune to establish the Nobel Prize. Many speculate that he wanted to be remembered for something other than his contribution to warfare. Dynamite is a tool that is useful in the industry, but also can destroy life. How is the discovery of CRISPR similar? Is it good or bad? So done wrong, CRISPR can do some serious um, destruction to the human DNA, which in turn can destroy the organism or kill the organism. Um, it's not just used for, it's not all bad. It's definitely mostly good. It was discovered on the basis that bacteria did a lot of the same things in the body. So I think that CRISPR is definitely something that has been making a difference, especially with using pig as a way for humans to get the internal body parts that they need and many other uses of it. And when it talks about how many speculate he wanted to be remembered for something other than his contribution to warfare, I think eventually in the future, CRISPR is going to be remembered not just because it was used on creating internal organs for pigs. I think eventually it's going to be remembered as something else, and the fact that it's useful in the industry, like I said, and then, which it is, it's very useful in that, but it also can destroy human life. It goes back to, well done wrong, it can destroy human life. Thank you so much.